if your penis doesn't get hard like it used to. If you feel like your energy has been drained. If you're pulling away from intimacy not because you want to, but because your body isn't responding. Then listen closely. It may not be your age. It might be something much simpler and much easier to fix. A deficiency in 3 specific vitamins your body has been begging for. I'm Dr. Juan Morales, a men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience helping men over 60 regain the energy, vitality, and sexual confidence they thought they had lost forever. And here's what most doctors won't tell you. Most older men haven't lost desire. What they've lost is circulation, stamina, and hormonal balance. And in many cases, the solution doesn't start in a pharmacy, it starts in your kitchen. And how they can help you regain natural erections, boost your testosterone, and bring energy back into your life, and how you can avoid it starting tonight. Today I am going to show you exactly what those 3 vitamins are that every man over 60 should be taking. Stay with me, because in a moment I'll also reveal the most common mistake men make when taking these vitamins. But first, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any vital advice designed specifically for men over 60. And if this message hits home for you, type A1 in the comments. If not, type A0 and let me know how I can make this content more useful for you. Let's get right into it, starting with the most overlooked but absolutely essential vitamin for restoring blood flow and natural erections after 60. Ever wonder why don't I feel like I used to? This could be the reason. 1. Vitamin D, the spark of circulation. Why? Because it helps open up blood vessels and carry oxygen to every part of your body, including the ones that define your masculinity. Your body used to make it effortlessly, especially when you spent time in the sun. But with age, those levels drop drastically. And with them go your circulation, energy, and performance. It's also essential for making red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your brain, muscles, and yes, your sex organs, too. But I feel like I'm dragging all day, he told me. That's why so many older men feel fatigued, foggy, and low in libido, even when everything looks normal on paper. Vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin, may be the foundation you need to reclaim your strength and confidence. More than 40% of older adults are vitamin D deficient, even men who eat well and exercise. Just 15 to 20 minutes of morning sun, eating more fish like salmon or tuna, fortified dairy, or taking a high-quality D3 supplement can start to make a difference within weeks. But I just don't feel like a man lately. But circulation isn't everything. You also need energy, and that's where the next vitamin comes in. 2. Vitamin B12, the energy generator. Many older men sleep well, eat well, but still feel drained. That happened to one of my patients, Roberto, age 72. I sleep, I eat fine. What he had was a B12 deficiency, which keeps the body from converting food into energy. The problem, as we age, the body loses the ability to absorb B12 from food. The solution can be simple. Supplement with active B12, or in some cases, get it via medical injection. And if we're talking male performance, we're talking hormones. That's why the 3rd vitamin is key. He said, I've been taking these for months and feel nothing. The issue, quality and consistency, and E protects the entire system while stimulating testosterone production. For example, 3. Vitamin E. The fertility defender. A patient named G, 70, told me, I work out, I eat well. What he was missing was vitamin IR, crucial vitamin for protecting blood vessels, reducing inflammation, and supporting testosterone production. Your body needs consistency. That's how it repairs and recovers. Vitamin E doesn't just protect your skin. It's a powerful antioxidant that fights oxidative stress, maintains blood flow, and helps your body produce testosterone more efficiently. You'll find it in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, olive oil, and leafy greens, or in a natural, high-quality supplement. Now, what happens when you combine these three vitamins? 4. The vitality triangle. When you take these three vitamins together and consistently, the effects multiply. Vitamin D boosts circulation. B12 carries oxygen and energy. I call this the vitality triangle. Circulation, energy, and hormonal support working in harmony. But there's a common mistake that sabotages all of this. You just need to take the next step. Nourish your body the way it deserves. These vitamins don't just support your health, they support your identity, your desire, your purpose. 5. The number one mistake men make. A patient named Gerardo once brought me a bag full of cheap supermarket supplements. Many cheap products use synthetic forms of vitamins your body can't absorb. Instead of cyanocobalamin, instead of D2, use vitamin D3, and make sure vitamin E isn't a synthetic or incomplete version. And taking them whenever you remember doesn't work either. 6. Your daily vitality routine. Frank, a retired carpenter, age 66, simply did this. Took his B12 with a protein-rich breakfast, walked 15 minutes in the sun in the morning, or took D3 if it was cloudy, ate almonds, or used olive oil to cover his vitamin E. Nothing extreme. Just consistency. Within a few weeks, he had more energy, better mood, and felt reconnected with his partner and himself. If you've made it this far, I want to tell you this, man to man. It's not too late. Not even close. You still have time to feel stronger, more vital, more you. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs it. Leave a comment with what resonated most. And if you'd like to support this channel, so we can keep creating content like this, consider making a small donation. Thanks for being here. I'm Dr. Juan Morales, and I'll see you in the next video.